Good morning. Lukman Hakim is speaking. How can I help you? Good morning too. This is Josh speaking from Dinasena Metal Quality. Can I speak with Miss Queen? I'm sorry, Miss Queen is not in the office. Can I take the message? Sure. You can check her form. Call me back. Oh sure. Can you give me your contact number for her call back? Okay. 123550 is my number. Okay, I repeat. 123550. Great, thank you for help. You're welcome and a nice day.